Township Entrepreneur Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekas.
Hi, my name is Thapelo Mele. We are a company for WPC Tech. We are based in China Mall Shop B219, 103 Main Reef Road in Johannesburg, Amalgamation Road. PC Tech pride ourselves in offering quality tech solutions and exceptional service to our clients. We offer A to Z tech solutions, may it be from hardware as well as software, may it be heavy duty printers, POS, computers, laptops, you name it, we have it, right? Not only that, we also do installation, network installation, CCTV installation systems, as well as updating laptops as well. If you want to get through to us, please do contact us on 076 154 7460 or visit our website at www.pctech.co.za or also our Facebook or TikTok page. WPC Tech. We pride ourselves in offering exceptional service. We pride ourselves in establishing a partnership with our clients. We want a long-term relationship with the person that we are working with. We don't want a once-off basis. We pride ourselves in establishing a relationship for long-term use. This is my first exhibition as a marketing coordinator. I was stoked. This is something beautiful for the internet. This is something beautiful for entrepreneurs in the gas industry. So I came here early because I was excited and I was looking forward to this event. I learned about cash flow, how to manage your cash flow as a business, that to separate your personal expenses to from business side, and also to always be ready. They always say, always be ready to pitch. Always be ready. You might never know who is listening. You might never know who's around. You might never know who's watching. So always be ready and always be prepared. I'm going to start with hardware. We have hardware refurbished as well as new. Computers, laptops, printers, but mainly specialize in printers, heavy duty printers. If you're printing for upscale businesses, corporate business, schools, as well as individuals, we do have that. Services, we do have CCTV installation, network installation, servers, and much more. And where can you get us? We are based in China Mall, shop 219. Also, you can get us on TikTok as well as Facebook. As well as we have another operating branch in Randburg. Hi, my name is Thapelo and I'm a township entrepreneur.